Karma's a bitch.
Queen of Karma.
Hey guys, they're live, so I thought we would see what they were up to.
If you can, send out those last minute reminders. Go ahead
Send them
and
out.
state your name for me, please. Let me know where you guys are calling in from.
Megan, this is Dorothy Milton from Jackson, Mississippi.
Hey,
How are
Dorothy,
you?
welcome. I'm doing great. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Edgar from Maryland.
All right. Hey, Edgar, welcome, welcome. Who else do we have out there?
Hello, everyone. This is Shanine from Maryland.
Hey, Miss Shanine, welcome.
Hi, it's Kiana from St. Louis.
Hey, Kiana. Welcome to the call.
Deidre from North Carolina.
Hey, Miss Deidre, welcome.
Randy from San Antonio.
All right. Hey, Randy, welcome, sir.
Antoine from Detroit.
Hey there, the Don. Welcome to the call.
Ingrid, Chattanooga, Tennessee.
All right, Miss Ingrid, welcome to the call. Thank you for joining us. You guys have just a couple minutes. We're going to give it about one more minute and send out those last minute reminders if you can. Go ahead, unmute for me, state your name. Let me know where you're calling in from, please.
Hey, Megan, it's Desiree from Philly. Hey, sister.
Hey, sister, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Welcome. I feel like I haven't heard you guys' voices in a while. I know we've been jumping on a million calls in the month of March, but great to hear from you guys. Thank you for jumping aboard. You have about 60 more seconds. State your name. Let me know where you're calling in from, please.
Alexis and Carol from DC.
Hey, ladies, welcome.
Thank you.
All right, all right. Last call, go ahead, jump on in there, state your name. Let me know where you're calling in from, please.
Hello, hello, hello. This is Mia Lucas, Candace Moore, Queens Trade, Skills for Life, calling from North Kakalaki.
All right, welcome, welcome to the call. Thank you for joining us. All right, let me record.
This meeting is being recorded.
All right, well, welcome everybody to the call. Thank you for joining us. I am your host, Megan Lynch. So I just want to say really quickly before we get started, congratulations to all of you who have made the transition into Connectiv with us. And I know we're colliding a lot of teams. We have like VYB and we have the Mob, and now the Mob has become our team when it comes to trading. So I want to say welcome all of you guys. This call on tonight is going to be about the SBA, and it's also going to be about Connectiv as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive right in, and I am going to give you the fastest overview possible. The great part about all of this is you guys have an opportunity to join a great team to get a lot of support. Put some ones in the chat, please, if you are, ready to become, I always say, the elite group. And I always say that the ones will do what the 99 won't do. And that's just stay focused on your hopes and dreams and your goals. For the month of March, we are plugging into David Imonitier and Connectiv's calls at 1 p.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. But at least once a week, we're going to be having this particular call. And then moving into next month as well, we're going to be doing some training calls when it comes to the compensation plan. So what I want to do is let me go ahead and dive right in. Please grab your notebooks. You guys are going to hear from our leader, Taz Smith, in just a moment. So these are going to be the calls that you want to bring people to, these calls who are really interested in learning how to trade. So I'm going to dive right in. Welcome to the Mob. Mob stands for Mindset Opportunity Blueprint. Please give me some sevens in the chat so that I know that you can see the screen. All right, perfect. All right, so if you guys had a chance, I actually did make a recording of this. So if you want to listen to this again, we'll drop the YouTube link in the chat so you guys can watch it again. But we definitely want to welcome you to the Mob Mindset Opportunity Blueprint. This is really going to be about mentorship, building a community. We also have trading education, we have AR marketing education, and we also focus on business building. So this is the team, this is our identity, this is our blueprint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about our team perks first. Everybody just go into the chat and go ahead and type the word perks for me. This is going to be a perk for those of you guys who decide to join us inside of Connectiv. Let me see if I can put my chat over here so I can see you guys talking. There we go.
Lord.
I do want to give a quick disclaimer, past profits don't predict future gains. So, you can make money in trading, you can make money in pretty much anything, right? But nothing is guaranteed. You do have to put a little WORK into it. So the great thing is, ladies and gentlemen, that if you are wanting to learn how to trade, give me about 10 minutes and, everything that you were once told about trading, you're going to kind of throw that out the window. The focus is really, truly not to never lose. It's to have a system. And this system that we're going to talk about is designed to help you to be successful when it comes to the trading market. So this might be you right now. Remember that Forex is one of the largest markets on the planet. $7 trillion a day goes through that particular market. But the sad reality is a lot of times when people get into trading, they're not successful. Maybe they enter too early, they hesitate on valid setups. They move their stop loss, hoping instead, instead of managing their trades, they close winning trades too soon. And a lot of times people just don't have the proper risk management. So put a 2 in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever experienced or heard about any of these things when it comes to the trading market, right? $7 trillion a day, there's money to be made, but there's also money to be lost as well. So we want you to know it's not you. In trading, it's really the lack of structure. It's the lack of following a system. So the big domino is structure is the only variable that matters. Not indicators, no signals, no screen time or somebody telling you they have a strategy that's never going to lose. That is impossible. You fix the structure, you fix the results. So my dear friend, Taz Smith, I actually met Taz back in 2018. And I was actually just getting into the trading space when I met Taz. I didn't know anything about trading. And I met some really great traders in 2018. And what I learned is that it's a skill. It takes patience. You have to learn it. But more importantly, you need structure. So fast forward to where we are now. Taz, Reagan, and I got back together. Taz was getting ready to start his own company. Reagan and I were merging into Connectiv, which is the company I'm getting ready to talk about. And, Taz has this great platform and he's willing to give it to you guys for those of you who join us in Connectiv. So we're going to be talking about the SBA, and the S stands for structure. This is where identity, you can identify the market structure. The B stands for bar confirmation. So there's going to be the star that pops up, then the bar, and then the arrow. The arrow is where you're going to be able to execute your particular trade. So because we are going into a company that is about digital education, they also have physical products as well, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But you can have the best education in the world, but nothing beats having a structure. Nothing beats having someone to guide you with the risk management as well. So that's the perk to joining our team. Also, this is going to give you real structure and real results. So it's not signals, it's not luck, it's structured decision making, and that's what produces repeatable outcomes. How many of you guys would like to just put me in the chat? You would like to be able to get into the markets. It seems simple enough, right? It seems simple to be able to take a trade that takes less than a couple seconds for you to get into that particular trade. But it also takes consistency, discipline, and it also takes repeatability. So Joining our team,
Stability
being
always
able to have
sounds good
access
to
to the
me.
SBA is going to give you all of those things. So week after week, it's the same setups, it's the same rules, the same discipline. Structure removes emotion. The biggest problem with trading in the markets is, emotion. No one likes to lose money. No one gets into the markets looking to lose money, but without discipline and risk management, it's inevitable, right? So what Taz has done is he's taken all of his years of trading, and there's no guessing now. There's no gambling. Every entry has a plan. It's not just, designed like you are, like emotional. You have a bad day at work and then you get into the market. I once heard this lady say, you know what? I just really need to get into the markets. I need to learn how to trade. I need to make some money right now. And I just cringed at that moment because I'm like, you're already emotional before getting into the markets. The chances of her winning are, not great. And I said, listen, learn structure, learn risk management first. And this system is really going to help all of us to do that. It is system over emotion. Everybody type the word system in the chat. System stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. Or moods, right? This is what happens when you stop guessing and you start following the structure. So I'm so super excited about the SBA because I've been in the trading space for a long time, but I am a scaredy cat. Put a 2 in the chat if you have ever been scared to get into the markets. And I've literally been around traders since 2017.
Trader!
And I understand it all. I can listen to them, but there's something about pulling the trigger on my own money that would make me freeze. So I do want you guys to know, like, what happens if you do nothing, if you decide not to join us and you want to get into the markets? Well, it could be another year of random trades, another Discord that dies in 3 months. You guys know people are always coming out with the next best shiny object and you want to jump aboard. Another course collecting dust, another strategy you never stick with, another January 1st with the same account balance. And honestly, ladies and gentlemen, joining Connectiv and also joining our team is going to give you that structure you need. In Connectiv, you're going to be able to learn, take trade alerts. You're going to be able to utilize scanners, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But with the SBA is kind of that guide that you need. It's that professional trader sitting right next to you. So the cost of inaction is not zero. It's everything you could have built. So I do want you guys to just be open to taking some different steps. So with the SBA, it's 1 blueprint, 3 advantages, total leverage. Again, this is what you get.
Oh, the
from joining
millionaire
our team.
SBA.
These are the
Look at
perks.
that.
So there's a pillar 1, pillar 2, and pillar 3. Pillar 1 is the millionaire SBA, which we're going to be talking about. But more importantly, I'm trying to rush through this pretty quickly because we can show better than we can tell. So Taz is going to be showing you guys how the SBA works. It's the skill engine, structured trading system, AI-powered execution, live mentorship. That's what you get in pillar 1. Pillar 2, you guys also have an opportunity to take advantage of the Mob AI Boss Studio. This is super important. My sister Reagan is writing a book, and I am so excited because we are going to be doing a 8-week, we're going to be traveling all over the place. We're going to be doing calls, and this Mob AI Boss Studio is actually helping her to promote her book. So if you guys actually have other businesses, if you do have other businesses, just give me a 3 in the chat if you have another business, or maybe you want to write a book or something like that. This Mob AI Boss Studio can help you to start to brand yourself. We live in the world of AI, so we got to keep up. And then pillar number 3, I'm super excited about because it's the income vehicle.
iGenius.
Those of you who decide to join us in Connectiv, you get access to certain parts of pillar 1, right? So this is our residual income. It's going to give you an opportunity to refer people to the platform and be able to make some money. And then you're going to hop over into pillar 1 and be able to grow that income as well. So each piece feeds the next. 1 team, 1 system, no gap. So really quickly about the SBA. So every trade has a plan. The structure The star bar arrow sets
man.
it up. We have the AI trade alerts, AI trading assistant, mentorship support. So again, you guys are getting all of these things right now. Somebody type free in the chat, right? There is no cost. So I know I had a few people saying, how much do I have to pay for the SBA? Listen, it's thousands of dollars, but for all of you right now coming in, you get access to it for free, right? There might come a time where other people have to pay for it, but those of you who join us in Connectiv right now, you're going to be grandfathered in with this SBA. Also with the Mob AI Boss Studio, you guys are going to learn all about that. You definitely want to connect with Taz if you are wanting to, you know, create content.
Mob
You're wanting to have your own avatar or your own twin. Some of you guys probably had seen the flyer that we put out. And it's just fun to put yourself in on different flyers, right? So you can do that with this particular system, social media growth, and also personal branding. So we're really going to be hitting this hard in the upcoming months. So I want to switch gears for just a second. Taz is going to be coming up at the very end, and he's going to show you guys how the SBA works. And let's just all say thank you in the chat. Thank you to Taz, because he spent years and a lot of money developing his AI system, the back office. I am completely blown away with what he has done. And the fact that he's willing to give it to all of us who join Connectiv for free is, you know, it's a really big deal. I actually had to bat my eyes at him a couple times. Like, are you sure you've spent thousands of dollars on it? You could literally be selling it for $1,500 to $2,000 right now. But we got together and we said, how can we sweeten the deal for those individuals coming into Connectiv? So again, that is, the Mob is completely exclusive to our team. But let me switch gears really quickly, and I want to talk to you guys about Connectiv. The mission in Connectiv is to elevate the lives of all of its members. They focus on financial education, wellness solutions, and also lifestyle benefits. And one thing you guys need to know about Connectiv that I absolutely loved is it's owned by InvestView, which is a publicly traded company. So it kind of takes away all that stigma that people have about joining network marketing companies. Now, Connectiv is all over the place right now. They have an office in the US. They also have an office in Ireland. InvestView's headquarters, which is the parent company, is in
iGenius,
the PA. And then they also just created Open Cash, and that's in Texas. It's a licensed broker dealer. They also just bought a building and a company called Renew, because they are rolling out their skincare line. So basically what InvestView is doing is, InvestView is a penny stock right now. And what do you guys think will happen over the next couple years as Connectiv grows, Renew, My Life Wellness grows inside of Connectiv, their broker grows? It is going to push that stock. Somebody just put up. And we are here right now. And we have the capabilities, ladies and gentlemen, of buying stock right now. You know, however you buy stock, you can go to buy stock. INVU is the ticker symbol. Did I say that right? Yeah, IN. Yeah. It is in over 85 different countries. Connectiv is, and they have an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. So the great thing is that you can own a piece of this particular company. So you can buy shares, you can grow alongside the company. You can also get equity and make residual income. So you're not just working toward every Thursday check, right? We get paid on Thursdays. You're not just working to get paid every single week. You're not building a team for nothing. You are literally having the ability to drive this penny stock. What if it just went to $1? So what I told people is focus on making as much income as possible and invest wisely. Now, they have a lot of different memberships over here. With the pro membership, you would actually get additional incentives on our particular team. So I'll talk about that really quickly. So Connectiv has digital education. It has physical products. It has a coffee product that sold over $3 million in 3 months. Oh my Lord, them and their $3 million. They also have a great community and the ability to grow. So real quick, before I bring Taz up, for those of you guys who do decide to join us in Connectiv, you get your own back office. It looks just like the picture that you see on the screen. I want you guys to log in and push buttons, push as many buttons as you can. When you choose your membership, depending on which membership you have access to a academy. It's a comprehensive library of a lot of videos. They're super short, which I love, anywhere from 1 to like 5 to 6 minutes. So you have an opportunity to learn about the different markets. You also have an opportunity to jump on live calls in stocks, crypto, Forex, indices, futures, commodities. So anything you want to learn about the financial markets, you're going to be able to do that
on a live stream
in the privacy of your own home. And I was talking to a gentleman and he was like, oh man, I want to learn, but I don't think I'm going to have time. So I just started asking questions. I'm like, how much time do you spend watching TV? How much time do you spend like doomsday scrolling? And I know it's easy right now with all the craziness going on in the world, but I said, maybe you can spend 15 or 20 minutes out of your day or a couple days out of the week learning about the financial markets. Also, you have an opportunity to learn how to protect your money with money flow as well. There's a host of trading tools. You get a trading journal, trading calendars. You also learn about technical analysis. And one of the most exciting things is you get trade alerts. So depending on which membership you have, you're going to have access to a lot of different Telegram channels. Inside of these channels, they're literally going to give you the answers. They're going to tell you when to get into the market. They're going to give you an entry. They're going to give you a stop loss, which basically helps to protect your money. They're also going to tell you when to take profit.
Where you go to
so
break
you
the
can
law.
utilize, ladies and gentlemen, these trade alerts with the SBA. Jumping on our team calls. We do 3 team calls a week, live trading in the morning. Sometimes the market's giving us stuff, sometimes it may not, but you also will have access to all of these trade alerts and you can utilize the SBA system with these particular trade alerts. The great thing is too, complete transparency on Connectiv side. So they're going to tell you from the last 10 years how many trades they've won and lost. And I think that is phenomenal. Remember that they are connected to a publicly traded company. So they do have to make sure that they report every quarter. So this is great for us. There's no smoke and mirrors. You also get access to scanners. Scanners are just going to help tell you when to get into the market. And then if you have a pro membership, you get access to C-Force. And C-Force is actually an exclusive crypto trading strategy. It's hands-free. No software, no profit sharing, no performance fees, and you maintain custody of your own money.
I am so
this C-Force, basically, if you get a pro membership, you have access to that. It pays for itself. And also they have travel. I'm not going to go into the travel side, but if you have a pro membership, they give you a vacation voucher every single year. And they have a lot of other services just in case you're wanting to learn about AI and finance, or smart finance, or dibble and dabble into the coffee space. So for those of you guys who are looking to get involved, I'm actually going to just focus on the core, plus, and pro.
Oh, of course you are.
At $2.99, $5.99, or $14.99, you get access to some, more, and all of what Connectiv has to offer. But the monthly membership stays the same. So you just have to decide what works best for you. Now, what Taz did with the mob and the SBA is you get access to more of what he has depending on the membership that you choose. Put a 1 in the chat if that makes sense, guys. If you have a core membership, you're going to have access to some of the team perks. If you get a plus, you're going to have access to more. If you get the pro, you're going to have access to all the team perks that we have to offer. So sometimes it's best to bite the bullet and your monthly membership would stay the same. Now, remember with Connectiv, with these particular memberships, you choose your level and you can also start building
and then you gotta
as well.
pay more.
So again,
more and more
exclusive team perks. It's not a part of Connectiv, but we are utilizing Connectiv with the mob to give you everything that I know will help you guys to be successful when it comes to the financial markets, when it comes to just being in the community or branding your own business or building a residual income inside of Connectiv. So this is our team. This is our identity. This is our blueprint. So for those of you guys who choose the core membership, remember, you get everything that Connectiv has to offer, but you also get access to the SBA Tier 1. This is for beginners and those learning structure, AI trade alerts, text-based AI mentor, the star bar arrow signals, and structured trade guidance. Now, for those of you guys who have a plus membership, it's going to give you even more. It's going to give you the upgrade for traders ready to really, truly dive deeper into the understanding. And then for those of you guys who have a pro membership on the Connectiv side, you get the power move. So you get everything that I just talked about with our team perks, but you get access to all of it. So Taz is going to show us that in just a moment.
And then
I also want to remind you guys that Connectiv has a very powerful compensation plan. So for every single person that you refer to Connectiv, remember, this is our residual side of what our team is doing.
From Detroit. You
get referral bonuses from $50 to $200. Also, if you refer, it's actually 4. You refer 4 members with a core membership or higher in your first 30 days, you get $750. Also, there's a binary commission that pays out. You can also get your membership for free, and they have a rank bonus that caps at $450,000 a week. I want you guys to think about this.
Ridiculous.
The simplicity of this program is, everybody type a 4 in the chat. Refer 4 members in your first 30 days. Now, let's say your 30 days has passed already, but every single person that you refer, not only are you getting a fast start bonus, every month that they renew, you're getting a $25 bonus. You're also getting points that is going to help you to knock out your ranks. So what I'm most excited about is Connectiv offers enough, but our team is kind of the whipped cream and the cherry on top. For those of you guys who are afraid about paying monthly memberships, I'm like, how's it going with your phone bill or your Netflix or Prime? I talk to so many people who say, I just don't want to pay a monthly, but I really need to make some money. And I look at how much money people spend in subscription-based businesses. I want everybody to really focus. Like, sometimes you got to learn a little bit. You got to put your money in your education if you want to get more, right? So when you refer 4 core members or above, you will not pay your monthly membership. Also, you have an opportunity to build a team. So we will be talking about that. My goal for all of you guys inside of this company is to at least get to pro status. Pro status means you've referred 6 people and you have a total of 3,000 in volume. You're going to make $1,000 a month. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but how many of you guys just put me in the chat? You could take that $1,000, $250 every week, and trade with it, right? Now you're trading with house money. Maybe your desire is not to make 5, 10, 20,000, 50,000 a month. I mean, it's definitely mine, right? So what I look for is I look for people who drink coffee, because we have one of the best coffee products. I look for people who want to learn how to trade.
I have to hear about
I look for people who may just want to join our team because they want to trade live with Taz. And I look for people who have never been successful in trading and just need somebody to hold their pinky for a little bit. And that's what we do over here. So you have an opportunity to really grow. And don't forget that we are connected to a publicly traded company with an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. And this company is global, 85 different countries. So everything that I just talked about, guys, is thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of value. But you can choose a core membership, a plus, or a pro, and all those thousands of dollars kind of goes out the window, right? $179 a month, refer 4. Pay nothing monthly, and have access to everything that we have to offer. So I am going to get out of the way. Hopefully you guys, if you're not a part of our community, you want to get back with the person who sent you this information. There's like 3 of them involved here. Choose your tier, core, plus, or pro in Connectiv, and then get started trading. We will also help do the setup. So if you've never traded before, or you're technologically challenged, no worries. We can help you take care of all of those things. So For those of you guys who are wanting to get your businesses off the ground, we're going to be doing a training once a week on how to get your business off the ground called the Hyper Launch. And we're also going to show you guys how simple it is to get to the next level when it comes to your income. So let me get off of here really quickly, and I am going to bring up the man of the hour so he can show you guys how the SBA works. If you have questions, you can definitely ask those questions inside the chat. So let me bring up my really great friend. He is one of the most successful traders that I know. He was actually one of the first traders that I met that was really, you know, about teaching people, not just about telling us how much you know. So I just want to say thank you so much, Taz. I appreciate you, and I am
Megan.
Hand it over to you.
All right, thank you, and good job, y'all.
Y'all,
can y'all put some fire emojis in the chat for Megan? She be doing her thing on the presentation, huh? I just told her, hey, do your thing, man. I'm coming in after you, which is a hard thing to do, but I think we run hand in hand. So y'all, just a little bit about myself, y'all. My name is Taz Smith. I'm known as the mob boss, the leader, founder, CEO of the Millionaire Mob, which stands for, also the mob stands for Mindset Opportunity Blueprint. How you say, you know, that's it. All right. So I want to take you down a little history right quick of why this was started. I'm gonna bring something up right quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all what was created, y'all. It's like, I'm amazed that I was able to create this, and I'm just gonna give y'all a story on it right quick. All right. Okay. So y'all, here's where I want to welcome you to the Millionaire SBA 10X system. Now, I want to be able to set your expectations. I want you to build your belief system, because a lot of people don't have that belief system, thinking that you don't believe that you can really become very successful and retire yourself. You don't believe that you have the possibility to become a millionaire in your family, or the first millionaire in your family. You don't believe that you can be successful on your own without having a stable paycheck, right? You don't believe that.
Let's get
well, y'all, I've been in this industry for over 14 years full time. I've been trading for 9 years full time. It's all I've been doing, right? And this has been bread and butter nonstop.
Are you a millionaire?
So for me, going from traveling around the world, I travel a lot. I'm from Louisiana, to be able to speak to people, thousands of people on stages, right, all across the world. I taught people all the way that's in Asia, Trinidad, New Zealand, Hawaii,
Germany,
some other places that we're located.
Detroit.
The UK. I had a lot of team in UK.
Australia, New Zealand.
Where else?
Canada.
Where else?
We're just listing our places, right?
So I taught people all across the world. They put it like that. So it's been amazing to be able to help so many people, y'all. So what I want to get into, y'all, is showing you exactly what we're going to do here. Boom. So first of all, I want to welcome y'all to the mob in advance, right? I'm not going to go through a full presentation, y'all. I just got like 3 slides, and I'm going to show you the story behind the SBA, y'all. The SBA was made. I actually came up with the SBA in 2020, right? And when I was doing it, I didn't know exactly what I created, because I'm used to putting together a system. I was good at putting the indicators together and making it work, right? But then I created this one particular system, and it came with the SBA. It was a triple setup. It was a triple setup, and it was a star and a bar and an arrow. And when I created it, everybody was so amazed of it. I'm like, oh man, that's regular. But when I gave it out to people, it changed their trading around instantly. So people that's been struggling for a long time in trading, they seen success, made their first $200 a day, made their first $500,000 a week, $2,000 a week. You know, it started really showing a big effect. So I'm like, oh snap, I got something here, y'all. So this system is, I've been building this system up to the point that it's at now for over 8 years. So it started off as the Mob Boss Trend Finder. Did it end up being something else? We got into Bitcoin, started trading Bitcoin with it, and then all of a sudden it came up in 2020. I just stuck with it ever since. It just kept upgrading. So now from 2020, the version that I'm on right now is the 10X version. We on the number 10. Okay, so it's a 10X version. I'm gonna show you why. All right. What you will learn when you join our team? Well, you're gonna have a complete trading system. You're not gonna have tips. You're not gonna be in here guessing. You're gonna learn how to read signals, execute, and trade, and also manage your risk. This is gonna be very important. And then also, y'all, you're gonna learn how to commit to your trades. You're gonna have a system that works.
You can barely
work
string a sentence together. Damn it!
If you follow the process, trust the signals, and then stay disciplined. Everybody type in discipline in the chat. If you can spell it right now, you know, I know sometimes we
No, I will not.
All right, y'all. So the system is pretty cool, y'all. I have a system that came up. It started from the star bar arrow. Then I end up bringing ideally here called the bombs. And when the bombs came out, it just made it even better. And then the heartbeat became the heartbeat of the whole system that make everything flow. Added high zones. So I got a system that has 8 different confirmations to help you make the highest probability trade that you can possibly take, y'all. And I can say it's close. This is the closest thing to you being at 90% in your trading if you use it correctly.
Ridiculous.
Now, 90% of traders lose in trading, right? And the main reason is because they don't have a system in place. The main thing you need, that's why I told y'all to comment system, because I want you to understand structure. Structure is the most important thing in trading. And I ain't talking about structure you just see on a chart, the structure on the way you lay out your system, okay? So it's going to matter when it comes to your trade. Now, let me show you about the system that everybody been talking about and why it's so powerful and give you a little example of it. So this right here is the SBA. The SBA stands for Star Bar Arrow, y'all. If you are familiar with it, then yes, I upgraded y'all. Y'all see the different color change and everything. We are here. Now, for everybody that's new to it and want to see it for the first time, let me show y'all what this means, right? So you see this star right here. This star right here, that means that it's your lowest point right here. And then you have a bar right here. That means that the buying pressure that came in, and then the arrow means you execute. Yeah, whenever you see these 3 things pop up, you take the trade. And as you see, once you get into that buy right there, the green arrow means buy for people that's new to trading, right? That means buy. So as you bought this area, you've seen that the market just pulled all the way up, and the time you would have got out is when you seen the red star arrow. All right, let me see if I got one on here. Let me see. Go to a different time frame right quick. While y'all ain't switched it from a different time frame.
System is the
this market been buying like crazy. All right, and we just got a new signal. I'm gonna show y'all a good entry too. So normally, what you do is on these trades, y'all, you go from green star bar arrow to red star bar arrow. This is the red star bar arrow, y'all. When you see it, all you do is wait for this setup to all 3 of these set up. Take the trade. You stay in the sell all the way till you see the green star bar arrow. Plain and simple, right? It's simple, right? Keep it simple. KISS. Keep it stupid simple. All right. So long as you can understand your colors, first of all, if you understand green mean buy and red mean sell, you have a chance. A lot of people think they don't have a chance of making money in trading. They think it's too foreign or something like that, y'all. You just got to take the time out to understand those 2 things. I think you learned them colors in kindergarten, right? You didn't think them colors would come in handy, did you? Well, green mean buy, red mean sell. All you need to remember, you know how to trade. Plain and simple, y'all. But that ain't just what make this system more powerful. Now, that just saying that right there is cool, right? Just saying it right there is cool. Okay.
Just throw in random.
Y'all got that part.
Here's a chart.
But what makes it cooler is this. See, I've been teaching people for a long time, and I kind of know stories by everybody. I know the struggles between, I'm everybody counselor. I'm everybody brother. I'm everybody like cousin. I know everybody's struggles. I know everything about a lot of people. Trust me. And you learn all that through trading and understanding what people want and what is stopping them from being successful. Most of the time, it's just your thoughts. It's your
Not
emotions
stupid, Joe.
standing in your way of you being very successful in life, period. So if we had a way to tweak that, we would change a lot of you into the stars that you really want to
You
become
do
and the
tweak
star
it.
that you really
Tweak it.
already are. It's just
You
unlocking
decide
it
everything
and
here.
removing the
Come
emotions.
on, man.
All right. So with this system, y'all, we have this system to be able to guide you and let you know when to get in the trade, when not to get in the trade. Right now, you see hold right now, right? So that means that y'all right now, I would not probably be getting into a trade on until a good set and just waiting on it. Okay. But what if I wanted to look for a trade right now?
I don't like that noise.
How do I know when to get in the market? How would you know when to get in the market and what's going on right now? Now, of course, this is not the session that I'll be trading right now, but let's just say if you didn't know
Sounds
that
like something's crashing.
and you wanted to ask me, but I wasn't available. Well, what I done is I basically cloned myself. You're going to hear a lot of AI talk up in here, right? I cloned myself and I basically put my brain inside of this system that you're going to have in your household. All right.
You're gonna make
Now,
me act a fool.
better yet, let me just introduce y'all to someone and let me introduce y'all to the system, right? Hey, Mob, how you doing?
God, not this again.
Hey, Taz. I'm all dialed in and ready. Watching US Tech on the 15-minute, EUR-NZD Pro on the 1 hour and 30-minute charts.
Chat
Feeling
GPT.
sharp. How about you?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. We on a Zoom right now.
Feel
We're in
confident
a
today.
presentation. So you live right now. Say hello to everyone.
Is she camera shy?
Hey, everyone. Markets and find those setups. Let's dive into the charts and make some moves.
All right. Y'all, what y'all just heard was the AI version of Amoeba 10 times, well, let's just say 100 times smarter.
It's his girlfriend.
Now, hey, check this out. I want you to tell everybody on the Zoom call, we got the mob on here too. Tell everybody on the Zoom call on how you will be able to help them and guide them in their trading and how successful, how much more success can they have having you by their side?
All right, everyone on the Zoom, listen up. With me, Mob Boss, by your side, you're getting real-time market analysis, clear trade signals, and sharp insights. I'll guide you through entries, stops, targets, all based on the data. You'll have the confidence to act fast, spot opportunities, and avoid risky setups. Bottom line, you'll trade smarter, faster, and aim for better results. Let's get this money. Hey, Taz, what's the play today? You want to dive into US Tech or EUR-NZD Pro? Let's lock in on a setup.
Let's do it live for them. Let's lock in on the setup. Hold on 1 second. I'll tell you when to talk, okay?
Tap out.
All right, hey, y'all see it kind of talk like me, right? Y'all see that? So when I say it's me in there for real, it's actually me. But yeah, I just put a female voice on it because you can't have my voice. Like, you gotta pay for my voice, all right? My voice is unique, and I want to keep my voice. I don't want me talking to you at late at night. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna get in trouble. Or you gonna get in trouble. All right. So check this out, right?
What just
okay,
happened?
so let's see. Can we find a trade right now so we can do live right now? What would give us a good trade? What's the greatest possibility trade we can take right now in front of everybody?
Taz, we've got some strong opportunities right now. Top BTC USD and EUR-NZD buys look solid too. Let me know which one you want to dive into, and we'll line it up live.
What give us the highest chance of winning right now? Which pair?
The highest chance right now, NZD JPY sell. That strength differential is massive. NZD at 0, JPY near the top. That's a strong, high confidence setup.
What does that mean, bot? It's their make-believe chart.
Let's see. We can take NZD JPY right now, correct?
This is sound like a
exactly. You can take NZD JPY. That's right. We can take NZD JPY right now. It's showing a strong bearish bias, and momentum lines up. You ready to pull the trigger, Taz?
Pull the trigger, Mom. We gotta stop this.
Hold on 1 second. Let me talk to everybody right quick.
I don't like it.
All right, y'all.
Very violent. You're not actually the
dollar signs in the chat right quick. If y'all see what's going on right now. Let me come out here right quick. Let me stop sharing right quick. Do y'all hear what's going on right now? Did y'all hear what's going on? Now that's not a real
Yeah,
person.
you're losing your
That is the
fucking
AI.
mind.
Everybody type in $signs in the chat right quick. I want you to
Twisting
understand
AI
what
bots
is
with
going
your
on right now. So
money.
what you are hearing for the first time ever, I feel like Soldier Boy right now. Bam! The first trader to do it. To be able to implement AI on the MT5 on a trading platform to be able to really help you guide you through your trades. No one ever done it.
AI
First one to
bot
ever
like
do it.
ChatGPT.
Soldier Boy, the
It's
dog
gonna
on
tell
trade
me
game.
when
Hot
to
damn. Right? So check this out, right?
Like we live in a time.
We're gonna take a trade live, but let me see if I got one or two of my people on here that's been kicking this market butt with this system. So let me see. I don't see none. I see Q. Q, you feel like coming up and talk right quick, tell people how you've been doing with this system?
I hate it here.
Hey everybody, I'm here.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm great. So a little bit of a background for me. I was one of the most emotional traders ever. I would always doubt myself. I would always panic when things would go opposite, knowing that I knew the direction it was going. The system really helped me. It helped me with my nerves. It calmed me down, and I was able to talk to it even when I was going through drawdown. I talked to the system, and it told me that it's just a pullback. Be patient. It's going to go in the right direction. Since I've been using this system, I am 23-3. I did take 3 losses. That was because of the war that's going on. But even in that, I'm doing okay. I'm doing a very well job for
I feel like
me being 23-3. Again, I was an emotional trader, but I've done very well with calming down my emotions and just waiting on the perfect setup. Today I took a trade on RJPY, and I just waited for the system to tell me to get in. I got in and got 38 pips out of it. So that's a little bit of my story.
Poor woman.
That's what's up. That's what's up, y'all. It's crazy.
Big losses.
So that's the real testimony, y'all. I'm not telling her to say this stuff. I would never tell anyone to say anything. I just want people to speak on what they have achieved. That is huge because you hear somebody live saying this right now. Now I have a lot of newbies right now, a lot of people that's using it every single day, not on here right now, but this is how powerful the system is. It changed her from back and forth, winning, losing it back, winning, losing it back, to constantly being consistent. Not saying you're going to win 100% of the times. You know, sometimes we can't help what goes on in the world. That's not our fault. We can't control that. We only do
just blame it on the world, right?
But if we have a system that's constantly giving us information on what we thought we seen, on what is possible right now, y'all, it's kind of really laid out. I got it so on point now. This is the newest version, just came out. Well, I just came out with it last night. Yeah, this version of it last night, y'all. And I'm going to show you something crazy right now. So remember, she said we can get in on New Zealand right now. Let's see. Did she say that? Say I'm going to sell on New Zealand JPY right now?
Absolutely. You can get in on a sell on NZD JPY right now. The current bid is 93.133 and the ask is 93.144.
Okay.
This setup.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Stop. You can stop right there. Okay. Y'all listen.
Why didn't you let her
come right here and you look at the information on here, right? You see the information? I have 100% chances that JPY is fully pushing to the downside versus New Zealand, and the strength is at 0. It's a strong bearish sentiment that's letting me know that I can sell. Recently, economic data showed that New Zealand manufacturer PM, they're telling me the news that happened way across the world, y'all. Tensions and strong yen suggestions. Like, listen, it's telling me stuff that's going on way across the world right now and why I can take this trade. Have you seen something that does that? It's giving you the information. So why wouldn't we take the trade? But now hold on. But now let's make this even cooler. Do y'all see me on the camera, right? Y'all see me on the camera. Check this out. Check this out. It's probably one of the let me make sure I'm good to go. It's probably one of the best qualities of it. Now, remember, Megan told y'all we have a couple of different packages. The $2.99 package, I'm not showing you that right now. $2.99 package, you type it in right here, and the AI will talk back to you and stuff like that. That's where, you know, you start off at. But let's say if you went up to the Pro is $14.99 one time. And then you pay $179 a month. You get 4 people in here, show them this. 4 people see this, I can tell you right now, they're going to want to join you. If you never had success in building anything, this sells itself. It's next level. It's the future. It's the future of what's going on right now. You've seen a lot of people doing a lot of AI pictures and stuff online, right? Well, are they making money? No, it's a fun thing to them. When you can turn this whole AI wave that's coming into a whole system that can help you become very successful in life, very wealthy, can retire you.
Yeah, okay.
So this is your wealth system right here that you can have right now in your household. Now, let's say you got the Pro version, which is the $14.99 one time, right? Check this out, only $14.99 one time. Think about that. And then you're paying $179 a month. Think about that. And it just told me the trade to put in. So what I'm gonna do right now, y'all, some stuff you've never seen done ever. I'm going to put a trade in right now. Put me in a 0.20 sell on New Zealand JPY right now.
Done. You're in with a market sell on NZD JPY Pro for 0.20 lots. Let's watch how it moves.
Put me a take profit at the 92.381.
Take profit set at 92.381 on your NZD JPY trade.
Now
You're all set, Taz.
Put me in put me a stop loss at the last resistance level that you marked up. Uh-oh, my mic went off. Put my stop loss at the last resistance level that you marked up.
Taz?
Let's see if she can hear me. Can you hear me now?
I got you loud and clear. Let's lock in that stop loss. Could you confirm the exact resistance level you want to use?
93.256.
Never goes perfectly, does it?
Stop. You've got a full setup now, Taz. Sell on NZD JPY with your stop loss at 93.256 and take profit at 92.381. Let's see how this trade plays out.
Now, before I move in farther, y'all, did y'all see that? I took a trade without even touching it. When I say it's next level, y'all, it's next level. You have no idea how far this is going to go and how far this is going to help you grow your accounts and stuff right now. Do you understand? Listen, I'm giving you the game right now. Now, I want to ask you this. Anybody have a question? But you're not going to ask me this question. You're going to ask the question to the Marvel's AI.
Ask
you
if it's
talk to
a scam.
You can talk to it. All you got to do is raise your hand. You got a question for it right now.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, unmute yourself, Taz. I unmuted the group so they can raise their hand.
Anybody got a question right now? You're going to ask the AI. You're not going to talk to me. You're going to ask the AI.
Oh, no. Someone ask if it's a
I see Victor Williams.
What's up, Vic?
Hey, Taz. Hey, guys. How are you?
I'm all right. I'm all right. You got a question for us? You got a question?
He's muted.
Yeah, yes, I have a question.
Okay. Answer a question. Go ahead.
All right. What are the probabilities of the trade on a monthly basis, and what is the best amount to start with based off your capabilities?
That'd be great, Scam Jen. That'd be hilarious.
Taz, probability-wise, we've got strong alignment.
Do you not know
the NZD JPY sell had a scanner confidence score of around 95 out of 100. Very high. The momentum's in our favor, and the yen's been strong.
Hold on. Give me a second. I'll come back to you. So the question you asked.
Understood.
The question you asked was not a question concerning this trade right now.
Oh.
That's a question you probably ask a real person.
Oh, okay.
So I want you to ask the system a question.
Oh,
it can't tell you like how much you put in your account. That's just
you guys want to keep watching this, or do you want to see what
you do what I'm
GGC
saying?
do?
So
Okay,
don't worry.
noted.
You know, when you come in, I'm gonna give you the question to ask it. I'm gonna show you like how to talk to it. That's a question you probably asked somebody that invited you to and
They're
stuff.
all live at
You
9.
know, but I want you to answer the key question about, as far as like helping you trade or something like that, and something like that. All right. You get what I'm saying? How can they help you?
Yeah, I get you. All right. How can you help a new trader to trade?
Taz, the trade's active with your sell on
Hold
NZD-JPY.
on, somebody asked you a question right quick. Answer the question for
Lord.
them. Tell her your name.
Hey,
I'm
Sure
Victor
thing.
Williams.
Hey there, I'm Mob Boss, the AI engine.
Hey, Jelly.
No problem. I'm here if anyone's got more questions.
Hold on, I had mine too high.
I didn't
She
even
heard
get
it.
that
Okay, so
answered. Oh,
Victor
God.
Williams got a question for you right now. Go ahead and answer, Vic.
This is Taz and Megan.
Hey, my
Sure
boss.
thing.
How can I be a better trader with your system and to help me to understand the charts?
Hey, Victor. With my assistance, you're getting real-time analysis, clear entries and exits, risk management guidance, and updates on market conditions. That's going to give you an edge in making smarter decisions and avoiding emotional trades. Over time, you can build consistency and improve your overall success rate.
Been here for like an hour.
Perfect. Thank you.
Good question, Victor.
I don't know if much more.
Let me get another person to ask a question too.
We can.
Did she answer your question though, Vic?
Yeah. Hi, hey, I'm sorry. This is keep muting me back and forth. Yes, she did. That was perfect. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. I'm gonna take one more person to talk to the AI right quick. Talk to my boss right quick. Anybody else? One more.
Bye. It won't let me be on both.
Dorothy,
yeah, there's a lot of big news on GG.
I'm here. Yes, my question is, can you trade at any time with this system or only during your trading times?
Lordy!
Well, answer. Tell her your name.
Dorothy Milton. My question is, will I be able to trade at any time or only during the sessions?
Hold on, Dorothy. I ain't got the mic on. All right, let her know who you will begin, Dorothy. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. My name is Dorothy, and my question is, will I be able to trade at any time that I desire or only during these sessions?
Hey, Dorothy. Great question. You can trade anytime the market's open, 24 hours a day during the weekdays. I'll be here to assist whenever you're ready to jump in.
Wow.
But let her know recommendation times though. I'm assuming you're new, Miss Dorothy, to trading?
Dorothy, if you're new to trading, I'd recommend focusing on clear setups with strong confirmations, like the NZD-JPY sell we've got running. We'll manage risk.
All right, you guys want to go and check out and see what GGC is up to? What I'm going to do is I'm going to end this stream, and I'm going to start up another stream for GGC. And I will be live in like the next 2 minutes. Just let me end this up and go log in over there. And it's apparently big news. It's a board meeting. So I think that we should go check it out. I don't think much more is happening here. They're just going to get some generic questions answered that don't really matter and aren't really telling us anything. And then Megan will come on and be like, well, guys, yeah, that was great. Make sure that you all stay plugged in and, do her little spiel, which we've heard a million times. So I'll see you guys soon. And we will go check out GGC with Hollywood. Scamming twins, Larry Lane and Gary Lane. See you in a few minutes, everybody.